In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of HDFC Bizpower credit card. The Bizpower credit card comes in this cover. Let's open the cover. On the right side, you can see the credit card number and the credit limit, and on the left side, you can see the address, and at the top, Bizpower. Using the HDFC business credit cards, you can pay income tax and GST payments, and here are some of the features of the HDFC Bank Bizpower credit card. Up to 55 days interest free credit, and you can get 5x reward points in billing cycle once you make the payments using SmartPay or PayZapp. With Bizpower credit card, you will get a complimentary Amazon Prime membership and Biz Prime membership on making one transaction, and also there is a milestone benefit. You will get 2500 worth voucher of Make My Trip or Reliance Digital every quarter if you spend more than 2.5 lakhs in a quarter. And also there is a launch benefit up to 16 complimentary domestic airport launch access and 6 complimentary international launch access. Here is a HDFC Bizpower credit card, and you can see that you need to activate your credit card within 30 days to avoid the closure of the card. Let's remove this sticker. This is how the HDFC Bizpower credit card looks. It's a Visa signature business credit card. The back of the HDFC Bizpower credit card looks like this. Over here you have the credit card number, expiry date and CVV number. It's a plastic credit card. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of HDFC Bizpower credit card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.